How to fix TikTok you are following too fast. So if you are facing this problem when you are following someone, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So when you are following a lot of people at once on TikTok, then you may get a notification or a pop-up saying that you are following too fast and you won't be able to follow this person anymore. So in order to fix this, you just have to go back and you have to open up the apps and simply press and hold over the TikTok, and you can directly go for app info, under which there is storage in cache. Tap over there and you have to clear the cache. By clearing the cache, TikTok will be refreshed and you'll be able to follow to those person again. You just can go back and check, you'll be able to fix that problem. So this is the simplest and the most common way to fix your problem. So this is how you do. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.